Today's video is going to be on talking how come your back door handles always breaking on your Chevy Silverado, the extended cabs mostly, you know, the ones that use these type of door handles. Now, they do make a heavy duty supposed version, and I've been through many of the sets of door handles, and I figured I'd make this video. Now, if you know anything, the OEMs is a little bit stouter than the ones you get off online for like $16, $20 set, maybe cheaper. These is extremely cheap. The plastic is a hard, brittle type, I would say ABS style plastic. Probably all made in the same company, you know, and just sold under different names. But this is the cheaper of the sets that you can buy. And basically what breaks is this: you grab them too hard and you pull too tight, and you snap this off right here. This piece right here just breaks off. Now, I do make a metal upgrade version. In my experience, the metal upgrade version does cost more. It lasts just a tad bit longer, but they eventually break too. And, you know, I can't recommend a heavy duty one over the regular one when you can save money and use it somewhere else and just buy 2 sets of the cheaper ones, or 4 sets of the cheaper ones compared to a set of heavy duty handles, and just put them up. But you know what I'm talking about. If you got kids, or if you're heavy handed and you pull on it a little too hard, they just snap. So what quality you are getting, you're still going to have weak points on the metal ones, because even the metal ones I seen, it's just this inner piece here is metal, and here, and they end up breaking right down here on the plastic housing somewhere. The housing goes, so it's a weak point. Now, if you could get an all metal housing, which I ain't never seen an all metal housing, they might be out there. If they are, let me know in the comment section. But if you could get an all metal housing in this metal, then that'd be a great upgrade. But just the semi heavy duty ones, you know, with the metal part here and plastic here, you might as well just buy the cheaper ones, because they end up breaking too. Now, that's the only reason I was making this video, just to explain to you basically, you know, how come they keep breaking. It's nothing you did, it's just the design. You know, the OEMs do hold up a little bit better than the ones on the internet, but who's going to pay that price for OEM dealership handles when you can get these for under 20 bucks with shipping? They look just as good and fit just as good. So if you found this video helpful, or have any information that might help somebody on these door handles, let me know in the comment section. Let me know your experiences. What brought you to watching this video? Like, do you have these door handle problems too, or is it just me? I think everybody does. And I say this video will let us find out that we are not by ourselves, and this is not just a problem that's, you know, happening to you. This happens to everybody, and it's quite common. So check my channel out for more content. I do all kinds of videos. Try to upload daily, so I you know, always something new on. And you know, hit that subscribe button to show you support from my channel, or at least go check it out. And I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.